Hey guys, welcome to WagenClub. So how to remove the dashboard console trims the right way? For most of you this exercise may be an easy and simple task, but in many Palios and Sienas that I come across, these plastic trims are often broken or damaged with cracks in the edges. They're often mishandled. We got to remember the right spots to open or handle them. It isn't tricky, but since we don't do this often, we forget the right way of doing it. Moreover, new replacements for these panels are hard to find, and even if you spot one, they're likely to be expensive. So with me here is Siena 1.2 facelift version, but my car is the pre-facelift version. So my car actually comes with this panel. So this panel is different from this one. In fact, that this panel is common for all the other Siena and Palio, including Palio Weekend or Adventure, as well as Palio Stile. And this panel has it has switches for the air conditioning as well as for the internal or the external air circulation. But here you can find a slider switch, so it's different. And perhaps you can probably find this panel in the market. But this one is quite not available. So the opening mechanism for both these types of panels are the same. As you can see in this panel, there are opening gaps in 4 places. So over here, one over here, and the other here, as well as another here. So these are the spaces where we have to use to open these panels. So you can remember that these spaces are probably like 2 centimeters from the top, and the same this side as well, 2 centimeters from this side. Okay, and then here probably another 6 centimeters from this side. 6. So it's basically like 2 centimeters from here, 2 centimeters probably around here, 6 centimeters probably around here, 2 centimeters from here, 6 centimeters from here. So these are the spaces that we have to use. If we use these, if in case you are trying over here, see, look here, like people have tried over here and they're broken it, and I've taken a lot of efforts to mend these up. So it's better that you use the right spaces to open them. So I'm not using any exquisite tools or very simple like connectors. So rightly around 2 centimeters from here. Okay, that's it. One lock. Let's come out a little bit, and again by this side. Okay, good. Right. So both the spaces, and then like 6 centimeters from here, around this place. Okay. 6 centimeters from here, around this place. That's it. So you see a click sound, right? So that's it. Done. So whichever panel that you want to work with, you have to start from this panel. So open this first. So this is the first panel to remove. So we are done with it. So as you can see that it's pretty much the same as the other panel. Right. So there are 2 screws here that actually holds up this part. So now we are going to open these. So I think this is more of a pull stuff. So okay, we have removed it. Okay, so that's it. So for this panel again you have 2 screws here. So we have removed 2 of these panels. The first and the second panel we have removed, and we have also removed the screw fittings of the third panel. But this won't come right now, so don't try to pull this up. Before you remove this, you have to remove this bigger panel that encloses the instrumentation. So this is one full panel. Okay, so to remove this panel, you have to first remove this small part over here, the small part. Okay, guys are having some like crazy switches. So to remove this panel, okay, so this comes off right here, or else you can use a small push to remove this. Okay, so this has a kind of a switch here. Okay, so here is a screw. So you have to remove the screw first and then remove this whole panel. Now you can just pull this panel properly. It's as you can see that this panel is already broken here, so it's not holding the panel properly. So it may be an easy job for me. Alright, so it has come off. Okay, so this is another. Okay, so this panel is open now, and here you can see that there is a screw. So you have to open this screw to remove this whole panel.